The OPPO Reno is here, the second smartphone to hit the Indian soil that features a periscope telephoto camera, and boy does it look interesting. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and let's take a closer look at the phone. The Reno comes in a very simplistic box that showcases a nice silhouette of the phone's camera setup and a branding on the phone box. We have the ocean green color in an 8 plus 256GB variant, and you also get a sandstone case, earphones as well as a 5V 4A VWC flash charger and a cable in the box. Let's start with the highlights of the Reno. The most obvious one is the camera setup of the back that comprises of 3 cameras. The first is a half-inch Sony IMX 586 48MP sensor with 0.8 micron pixel size mated to an f1.7 lens with optical image stabilization. It does pixel binning to give 12MP images with 1.6 micron pixel size. You also get an 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide angle camera, but most importantly it has an f3 13MP periscope telephoto camera that offers 5x the focal length with optics and can achieve up to 10x zoom with digital help as well. This also has OIS. The other camera in question is also special since the front-facing camera is a pop-up unit, but unlike any other pop-up unit that we have seen so far, this has a twist to it. It's called a shark fin because it looks the part and it features a part that goes into the case and another that rises up. Quite a cool looking mechanism really, and definitely stands out from the rest. It houses a 16MP f2 camera and also has a flash unit for a rear camera on the other side. The screen is a large 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution, and it looks great since there is nothing to break the flow of the screen. No notch, no cutout, etc. Just pure screen glory, and the bezels are also very minimal. It supports DCI P3 color gamut and has Gorilla Glass 6 for protection. While the bezels are minimal, this device is still on the larger side considering the screen size, which stands at 6.6 inches. The handling is similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro if you have tried that out, but I like the ergonomics of the Reno better, and I also love this ocean green color which changes the look based on how light reflects off of it. There is a more subtle jet black variant as well which looks greyish actually, but the green will definitely be the one that people want. The back panel is made of Gorilla Glass 5 which is also pretty good. It's powered by a Snapdragon 855 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage with dual nano SIM support, and if you're willing to sacrifice one SIM card slot, then you can expand the storage too. It comes with USB Type-C that charges the 4000 mAh battery. You also get a pair of stereo speakers, one is bottom firing and the earpiece doubles up as a secondary channel. You also get an in-display fingerprint scanner. I quite like the hardware that OPPO has provided with the Reno. Feels really premium like a flagship should, and I can't wait to test out the cameras on this thing. Thanks for watching this video. Please do hit the subscribe button if you liked it. See you again in the next one.